In this short video, we're going to take a look at how to access the new drawing functionality within the trading platform and how to add a couple of these techniques to your charts. Hello, I'm David Jones from Capital.com. We've recently expanded the drawing functionality in the platform, so we thought we'd do a short video just showing you how to access this and how to use a couple of the drawing tools. So without further delay, let's take a look at the platform and start using it. So we're on the platform looking at a chart. The chart is a pound US dollar daily chart. So first of all, to access the new drawing tools, if we go to the top left here, if I hover over, you see it says drawing tools. I click and I have the list here. I can scroll down to choose which tool I'd like to use. But also, if I just click in show drawing panel, let's do that. Then you can see down here, the bottom left of the chart, I have the toolbar with the various tools in there. So let's pick up on the Trendline function. So it's the third one from the right hand side. Click on trend and we'll just put a trend on our pound US dollar chart. So I click to set it first of all and hold, and I can move my mouse to choose where I want the next point for the trend line, and I'll drop it in here and click back on the chart. There's my trend line. Let's say I want to pick up on a horizontal line to identify resistance. Here's the horizontal line here. Click in there and just click on the chart, and there's my horizontal line. And then finally, maybe I want to do something a bit more advanced. I want to have a look at some Fibonacci retracements. So Fibonacci retracements is this button here. You can see every time I hover over a button, it tells me what it is. I click on there, and I'm going to draw my retracements from the top down to those recent lows in pound US dollar, and it puts the various Fibonacci levels on and labels them for me. So that's a quick introduction, how to use some of the new drawing functionality, and we'll explore this in a bit more depth in future videos. So hopefully you can see how straightforward that is. You can either access each of the individual drawing tools from the drop-down menu, or if you're going to be looking at applying various trend lines, support resistance, Fibonacci, that sort of thing, it's probably easier to have that whole toolbar showing all the time in the bottom left. We'll wrap things up there, but as usual, if you have any questions or comments, just leave us a message in the comments down below. We upload various videos to our YouTube channel during the week, looking at different markets, trading techniques, all of this sort of thing. So to never miss out, if you click on subscribe and then just choose the alarm bell notification, you'll get automatically notified every time we upload a new video.